Mercurio.
What's your date of birth? Okay. So look, I'm just coming over because the security for the mall.
Yeah, I'm not going to move at all. I
Okay.
will actually kill every fucker that comes here.
Okay, well, we don't want that. Okay?
I don't care.
Okay.
That's what I'm where I'm at.
Okay, look. I'm just trying to talk to you, okay?
Okay, I'm going to sleep right here so you can do what you want to do.
Okay.
You either protect and defend or I'm going to fucking destroy your fucking human being. Understand?
I understand, but why are you coming at me like that?
Well, I'm just letting you know.
And I'm just letting you know too, okay?
Don't tell me what to do at all.
I'm not letting you know. I'm not telling you what to do.
Okay.
I'm just letting you know what security has advised us. Okay?
I am security for the whole country.
Okay.
You want Iran and China to fucking bust your nut or what?
No, not at all.
Well, I'm
Did
the
I
guy.
say that?
Listen to me.
Did I say that?
Just listen.
No, I'm telling you right now.
Listen to what?
No, we're not doing
that.
that.
You know what?
Hey, you better step back, dude. Step back.
I'm gonna fuck your ass up,
okay,
bitch.
You better step back right now.
I said get the fuck out of here now.
Step back, right? I'm gonna fight. Stick to it, fight. Get off me. Get off me.
Fuck you, nigger.
If you come any closer, I'm gonna shoot you. I'm gonna shoot you, dude.
I'm gonna
shoot you. I'm gonna shoot. 6 2
Get the fuck out of here now.
Get up. Stop. You don't stop. I'm gonna shoot you. I'm gonna shoot you, dude.
Shoot.
Get off me. Get up. Get up. Stop. Stop moving. I'm gonna continue to shoot you. Stop. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Shots fired. Confirm your location.
In front. Lower level. Suspect down.
In front of